Beneath the Buda castle are a network of caves which are also known as labyrinth of Buda castle. They have been used as prisons, as a shelter, and in World War II it was also used as a hospital. And there is a great legend that Walt the Impaler was also present here. Now I am at the Bastion of Fisherman. This was built in 18th century and it gives a unique view to the other side of the river. Let me show you the other side of river from here. Now it's time to go to the parliament and see the parliament. So let's walk down. This is the view of Bastion of Fisherman from downside. It's so beautiful. From here you can see even a better view of Bastion of Fisherman. This place is really amazing. Now I'm going down and finally there is no one. So there are so many tourists, but here as soon as you are going down you don't see that much people. There are a lot of stairs and I hope then in a few minutes I will be down. I was expecting that there are only few stairs and then I will be on the ground, but from here it seems like it's quite high. The Bastion of Fisherman is, and now I am walking down. I think now I am officially on a ground level. The interesting thing about the city is that the pest side is known as the rich side and the Buda side is known as a little bit poor side. And if when you come here and you see, you also realize that the pest side is a quite rich side. There are, for example, a lot of brands, shops, very nice fancy restaurants, stores. So this is a fact, I think. Now I'm walking by the river and it's so hot, but because I am near the river, so wind is colder than how it was above. If you guys also know some facts about the Budapest, don't forget to write them in the comments, because then all other people can also know these things. Here it is, the beautiful Parliament of Hungary, one of the most beautiful parliaments in the world. I'm walking beside the river and I just want to take the direct view of the parliament, so it's visible completely. This is also a nice church, and when you are in Budapest you see a lot of churches. And here is the view of the most beautiful parliament in the world. It's so beautiful. And the view from here on this side of the Buda side, it's very beautiful, and if you come here at night it's even more beautiful. I don't have time, so I could come here at night, but even at this moment it's very beautiful. The parliament building of Hungary is on the Pest side, so now we will cross the bridge again and we will go to the Pest side to see the parliament building from a close-up. So I have to walk a lot to cross the bridge and then go to the other side of the river to Pest side to see the parliament, but it's a very, very long walk. Here you can see the bridge, so I have to cross the bridge and then I can go to the other side. If you are in Budapest, I will recommend you to take either cycles or electric scooters. It will be very easy for you to commute between different landmarks. Otherwise you have to walk a lot. Let me show you the view of Parliament from this angle also. Now I am on a bridge and walking to the other side of the bridge, the Pest side, and it's so hot today. It's very, very hot. I don't know what's the reason, but even at 30 degrees it's so hot. And let me show you the view from here of Danube river once again. I don't know what kind of ship is this. Let me zoom in. Interesting. Looks like a fun ship. Behind me you can see the Hungarian parliament. This is the side view of the Hungarian parliament, and let me give you a very brief history of this building. So the construction of the building started in 1885 and finished in 1904, and it was designed by Imre Steindl, and the reason of this building was to show the power of Hungary in Austrian-Hungarian Empire. Now I am going to the back side of the parliament. One tip from my side: if you want to visit Budapest, come here for at least a week, because there are so many things to see. Each street has something. Everything, there are statues, everything has a story to tell. So my recommendation, come here for at least a week. This is the back of the parliament. So that's all from my side from Budapest. So if you like the vlog, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.